one thing engihlezi ngifuna ukuyicacisa ukuthi it is real.
Yeah.
Unscripted. If there's one reality show that I know that is unscripted, Ileya. I remember Max Oqala show when sasichazelwa nge-TV sibasemzumba sazilutho nge-TV. Okay, senpresentile siyayithanda fine, but kudayisa drama, you know, indaba yokuthi nje ucabanga ukuthi uzoba uhola idayisa. I remember ukuthi uMthombeni said siyi-drama. The fact that nje impilo yethu nje iyona drama, we won't add ngeke size sikhiphe lutho futhi, we are just going to be ourselves, and that what we did, or that what I did. I don't know about someone else. Abanye abantu they are influenced endleleni mhlambe by ukuthi social media ithini engathi nami manje abantu abasangithandisisi kahle ukuthi ngimuve kancane eqinisweni lami. So I'm one person or meqinisweni because I believe ukuthi ngempela it shall set you free, and awubi nestress sokulokwane ulikhumbula yabo iqiniso right gokuthi noma ungangivusa ngilele ngizokutshela same story, but if kukuthi ngiyalikhanda lizogcina nami lingibalekele ekhanda ngikhohle ukuthi kwakwenzekeni. So iyona into engayichoose ukuthi no matter who says what abongile uzizwa kanjani noma kukwenze wazizwa kanjani nakusasa kuzobe kusayilona. Yabo.
Sure.
So I iyona into engayichoose, so I'm leaving it.
I'm
It doesn't. I think uNkulunkulu usitshale endaweni engafani for izathu engafani. Kusona sonke istorm, there must be some kind of way of into nje ezoqhamuka ibe magic and calm the storm, you know, noma ngathiwa sinjani. I believe ngoba into existayo isithembu, so uNkulunkulu kwakumele abe khona phakathi kwazo. So angikholwa ukuthi khona into engathi iya contradictor or whatsoever. I simply chose isithembu, and it had nothing to do with ukuthi ngikholelwe nini. It had absolutely everything to do with the man in front of me and that I'm choosing to marry. Like yayingahlangene, and I used to say this, and namanje ngisazokusho ngoba uthi asiyeke ishow manje sikhulume nge-reality ne.
Yeah.
As much as ishow i-reality,
Yeah.
but ngifuna ukuchaza ukuthi for a person ozothi but you just said he lies a lot, but at some stage sempilo yethu kwakuneqiniso eliningi. So the truth iyona yangithathayo Nkosi yami, and I always say this ukuthi iqiniso lakho, which is why sometimes I get so much disappointed when I feel like siyashintsha kulokho engangikwazi, because kwakuyimbewu eyatshalwa kumina yamila ukuthi si honest. So iqiniso lokuthi here is a man coming to you, persuading you like for years, uphinde like wanyamalalo akuphinde waqhamuka lo bhuti usakhuluma indaba efanayo. At some point I wasn't even believing ukuthi uqinisile, like I was like hey bo lo bhuti, and it got to a point whereby I was like okay, I think manje I'm ready, but he wasn't like ngangamthathi serious, yabona mangabe into uyibukela kude, because it's not into ebengiyifuna, so it's something that came to me. Iqiniso lokuthi, and then I'm married, and he already had his thembu ngaleso sikhathi. Mhlampe that's another thing abantu abangayi understand ukuthi when they insult us and say nashada nendoda eshadile, no ngashada nendoda esithembu, he was already having like multiple wives. So akuzange kube yinto entsha ukuthi mina ngisukela indoda eshadile mhlambe disturbing umshado womuntu in some kind of way. No, this man came to me clear isoba iliphuza utshwala, yathi ngiyindoda yesithembu and ngikhulisa umuzi wakithi. I see something in you, and I want you to be part of this family. Of course akuningi ngakubuza, but one thing eyangithatha kakhulu is him saying I love my wives and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. I'm not approaching you because they are lacking something. I'm approaching you because I see something that I need kuwena ukuthi umuzi wakithi wakhe uqine ukhule, you know. So again umuntu oqamba amanga. So one question enkulu umuntu athi hayi wasukela umuntu. No, namanje I'm happy because the show isaqhubeka. There are things esazo unpack ukuthi one of the things kwakuwukuthi emshadweni wami wokuqala ngishada on my day of umshado, I mentioned it. Even the pastor wengishadisa was aware. Even umuntu wekhulumela umndeni mentioned it. Whether it's true or not, I'm simply giving you what was given to me. Ukuthi amanga noma iqiniso, but that what was presented kimina at the time. Meaning akekho umuntu osukelile umuntu sonke. Akekho shade nendoda yomuntu sonke sizeke oshade indoda yesithembu. So yilokho kwenzeka. Ingakho ngingakubuki njengento mhlambe ephambanayo because he was honest from the word go.
Sure. Okay.
Hi everybody, Sanbonani, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So you guys, I did say earlier on that I watched the interview Gamakumalo with True FM. It is on Facebook, but you know, if you can't go on Facebook, I will put it over here, just the interesting parts, you guys. I can't put the whole interview. If you want to watch the whole interview, go on their page on Facebook and watch it. Okay, so I thought that this part was interesting, you guys. Number one, because she gets to talk about the show and she says that she really has been wanting to clarify this whole thing of people saying that the show is scripted. Okay, she does say, you guys, that usually they will shoot the show and then they watch the show a year later. So when we watch the show, it's a year later after they are done shooting the show. So she says that a lot of the times people will be meeting them somewhere and they are happy, mhlampe they are with Umselegu and they're like, I laba baya actor on the show, because people think what is happening on the show right now is happening in their lives right now, and they don't think about the fact that they did film the show a while back. Okay, so, and also she says that it's very difficult for them because they are taken back sometimes to deal with issues that they have already dealt with. This happens a lot in the comment section when somebody says, I was in a restaurant, I just saw Umangwabe and Umselegu holding hands. So all of these things that you guys are watching on the show is a lie, you guys. We have to think about the timing of the filming of the show and us watching the show. But she is insisting that the show is not scripted. Okay, I always just say, you know what, it is partly scripted because at the end of the day they have to plan when they are shooting, what scene they will be shooting, who is needed in that scene, which is not something that we do under normal circumstances in our lives. So that is partly scripting. But I guess the issues that they will be discussing on that scene is the issues that are real in their lives. It's things that are happening in their lives for real. Okay, anyways, you guys, she also talks about that whole thing of people saying that they married a married man. So why would you have an issue now when your married man that you married while he was married is trying to marry someone else? Okay, and she says that according to what was given to her, Umseleko had always been in Indoda Yesembu. Even when he was marrying his first wife, he informed her that he was in Indoda Yesembu. So they did not marry a married man, they married Indoda Yesembu. this is where she did not make a lot of sense for me, because I was like, no, but you married in Doteshatile. It's just that, yeah, Ishade with multiple wives. Okay, let's not get away from that. Yes, go into this temple, but you married a married man. And also, guys, this is something that Umakele uses a lot against the other wives, where she will say, like when they take trips, that Yana, she's not going to have her husband sleeping next door because she did not marry somebody's husband. Okay, and a lot of people will agree with her that Umakele is the only one that did not marry a married man. But Khumalo is insisting that each and every one of them married Indoda Yesthembu, because that is what was told to her, that Umselig was Indoda Yesthembu, and every single one of the wives was informed before they get married. She says that there was even a speaker at Macele's wedding that mentioned ukuthi Umselig Indoda Yesthembu. She says that even Umfundisi who married Umselig noMacele did say ukuthi Umselig is intending on taking his temple. That is what was told to her. Whether that is true or not, that's another question. But she says that every single one of them married Umselig as Indoda Yesthembu. So people must stop with this thing of saying that Bona, they married a married man. I do think that they married a married man. They married a married man that was married to multiple women, okay? Sometimes they be trying to gaslight us as the viewers, okay? We love this family very much, but listen, you married a married man. He was just married to multiple women at the time, okay? You know? Anyways, you guys, listen, I will keep giving you the interesting part of that interview. But if you don't want to watch me, go over there on Facebook and watch True FM and watch the full interview, honey. Okay? Anyway, thank you so much. Ngintanda kakhulu.